The Microsoft AI-102 exam is retired. So why is this guide your key to success in 2026? While Microsoft retired the AI-102 exam on June 30th, 2026, the skills it covered are more relevant than ever. Its replacement, exam AI-103, shares an estimated 75 to 80% of the same knowledge base. This guide focuses on that critical overlap, making it a powerful study tool for the current Azure AI apps and agents developer certification. Think of this not as a look back, but as a direct bridge to the skills you need to master today for the AI-103 exam. The final version of the AI-102 exam, updated in late 2025, pivoted hard toward the modern AI landscape. This guide isn't about legacy services. It's built around the core of today's Azure AI platform. We're talking about Azure OpenAI Service, Advanced Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG patterns, and the powerful capabilities of Microsoft Foundry. These aren't just exam topics. They are the foundational technologies you'll use to build cutting-edge, generative AI solutions in your day-to-day work. The most heavily weighted and valuable domain was generative AI. This section is crucial for AI-103. Our guide details how to provision and deploy models like GPT-4o, master prompt engineering techniques like chain of thought, and implement function calling for complex tasks. It also covers building end-to-end RAG solutions using Azure AI Search, which is a core pattern for grounding AI responses in your own data, ensuring accuracy and relevance in your applications. Building intelligent applications means teaching them to understand unstructured data. This guide covers two key domains for this. First, implementing knowledge mining with Azure AI Search, including vector search and hybrid retrieval to find the most relevant information. Second, implementing computer vision solutions with Azure AI Vision. You'll learn about the Florence Foundation model for image analysis, OCR for text extraction, and even how to build custom models for specialized object detection tasks. Natural language processing is another critical area, and the platform has evolved significantly. The guide covers the modern Azure AI language service, including conversational language understanding, the successor to LUIS. More importantly, it details the newest domain added to the exam, implementing agentic solutions. This forward-looking chapter explores using Microsoft Foundry's agent service and framework to build complex multi-agent systems, preparing you for the next generation of AI development on Azure. So who is this for? If you're a Python or C# developer, a full-stack engineer, or a cloud professional moving into AI, these skills are your next step. The guide maps directly to the Azure AI engineer role, which commands salaries ranging from $120,000 to $260,000 in the US. By focusing on these core competencies, you're not just studying for a certification. You're investing in a high-demand career path and building the practical expertise employers are looking for right now. Ready to turn this knowledge into your next certification? Our full guide on Open Exam Prep breaks down every single skill domain from the final AI-102 outline. You'll find a detailed 8-week study plan, hands-on lab checklists, and crucial context for transitioning to the AI-103 exam. Plus, you can access hundreds of free scenario-based practice questions to test your skills on Azure OpenAI, RAG, and more. Click the link to get started.